वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरक्षे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदायै कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय सर्वभक्ताय भक्त्या विहीना परातलक्ष्ये क्षिप्तास्य मामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते अङ्गश्यामले सदा विरहितो मन्दे कृतेन्दीवरं जगञ्जगुरुरोचिषां विदधतनुपट्टं वरस्य श्रिया वृन्दारण्यनिवासिनं हृदिरसद्धामाभिरामोदरं राधास्तं तद्विषितो जगद्भुजं ध्यायेन्तं तवैवास्मि त्वया विना भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनितां स्मरामि राधाम् वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रां ततो मम नास्ति यत् किङ्करेषु बहुधा खलु कारुकान् नित्यं परस्य पुरुषस्य शिखण्डबोधे यस्या सदा नृसिंहे विशुभानुजाय रथके कल हम लोग काम्यवन में गए थे। We have gone to Kamyavan, but we could not go all places. हम लोग सब जगहों में नहीं जा सकते। हम लोगों ने उन स्थानों को प्रणाम किया, because time was short and we could not go everywhere. So we did pranam to all these places. And only taking their names and we are doing pranam. हम लोग जब आए तो बाएं तरफ में शेव नामक ग्राम, शेव माने सेतु कंदरा, सेतु कंदरा आदि बद्री का स्थान, the place of Adi Badri. Not in Kedarnath. This Badri is the Adi of that Kedar. So it is Adi Badri. Badri, always situated. Kedar, all these are in Vrindavan. And they are given established to have the mercy of this Brajamandal. सभी जितने भी विश्व के तीर्थ हैं, किसी न किसी रूप में ब्रज के अंतर्गत में है। उनके बिना, ब्रजमंडल की कृपा के बिना उनमें कोई भी शक्ति नहीं। अपने जीवन को कृतार्थ इसी के द्वारा करना। All the things should rest in Brajamandal. They want to have the mercy of Brajamandal. Without the mercy of Brajamandal, they are nothing. So there, they come and they give two established here. Badri, Adi Badri, once Yashoda Maiya and Nand Baba and all the Brajavasis told Krishna that we want to go to Badrinath and Kedarnath. Yashoda Maiya, Nand Baba, सबने कृष्ण से कहा कि बेटा हम लोग बद्रीनाथ और केदारनाथ जाना चाहते। उन्होंने कहा जैसे बद्रीनाथ और केदारनाथ तो यहीं पर पास ही में है, चलो। तो भाई and Kedarnath. Very beautiful. All the places, those who are in Adipatri and Kedarnath, all are in the same way, but in same way. Meaning, in meaning. Alkananda वहां पर है, अलकानंदा बद्रीनारायण. Ganesh Tilla, where he wrote all the Quran by the hearing by Vyasa. Bhim pool, the pools of made by Bhim. Badrinarayan. महाराज जी के अनुगत में हम लोग उसको पास किया था. Badrinarayan, like he is in Samadhi, Narayana, Vyaskati is there, where he wrote all the Puranas, Srimad Bhagavatam and everything. Mahabharata, especially Mahabharata, Vedanta Sutra. And we did Srimad Bhagavatam in Vrindavan. In Badrinarayan, the same darshan. Nar Narayan, they are in Samadhi. And Kubeir is there. Uddhav is there. Maitreya Rishi is there. Narad Rishi is there. So many things are. And nearby, there is a place, it is called Kedarnath. There is a mountain like Kedarnath, very steep. Though it will be 150 feet high, but we will have to pass through gates. हम लोगों को कंधे से जा करके सो करके कहीं बैठ करके we will have to lay down, sometimes sitting. Very hard to go there. It remembers Kedarnath. So this place is there. Keeping that two places in our left hand, not right, left hand, and crossing that place, we get to Kamala. हम लोगों ने उसको बाएं तरफ में रख करके बाएं तरफ इसलिए रखा
परिक्रमा के अंदर नहीं वैसे नहीं
किसकी बोलो
से तो सा दुनिया बामे जावो वृंदावन स्थान वृंदावन धाम
वही माने इन लोगों को थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देकर not giving so much importance there, keeping them in this right stand. तो यहाँ हमको बाएं तरफ रख करके प्रणाम करके हम लोग वहां से वहां आए. यहाँ हम लोग विमला कुंड में थे. Where we were staying in Vimla Kunda, nearby there was Sheikh Bandharameshwar. Once Krishna and all the gopis were playing. Gopis told that, Purnamasi told that you were perhaps Ram in Treta. We don't believe. And why you don't believe I was Ram? Therefore we cannot believe. Here is a very big pond. And it is so much water. And on the other side, like Lanka, there is a very high place on mountain. If you will see, you will make arrangement that there is a pool. Monkeys have dig that pool. So here are so many monkeys. If you manage that all the monkeys should make a pool here, and we will see, and when we will cross it, then we will इसलिए यहाँ पर यदि हम आप बंदरों के द्वारा पुल बना दीजिए और बंदरों के द्वारा रामेश्वर शंकर की स्थापना करा दें तो हम समझें। At once Ram ordered all the monkeys. There were two kinds of monkeys. One that those were not so big, and another were like Hanuman. And when Ram ordered them at once, he played on his float and all the monkeys' legs and legs were collected there, assembled there. First they did Pratishtha of Rameshwar Mahadev. रामेश्वर महादेव की स्थापना उन्होंने कराई और इसके बाद में पुल बांधने लगे, पत्थर सचमुच में तैरने लगे और वहां पर पुल बंध गया। At once all the monkeys from here and there they collected so many stones, fishes, and they made a pool over that water. And all the gopis they crossed that. But they told, you have not made the monkey size, so there is no your importance. इस तरह से वहां पर पुल बना, अभी भी पुल हम देख सकते हैं। We can see the remnants of bridge there. The name of that village is also
वो वहाँ बिहारी है जो है, उसको बोलो जनरेटर चला देगा। हाँ, बाहर वाले को बोलो।
इसके बाद में आप लोगों ने चरण पहाड़ी दर्शन किया, क्यों सब तुम दर्शन आओ। चरण पहाड़ी फिर शर्मी शीला, also you saw विशल्ली शिला, जिसके बाद में ब्रह्मसूर गुफा और चरण पहाड़ी, बलदेव जी का, so many places. Then we came to when we are coming from Kamepal to Varshana, only 4 miles towards Varshana is a Sunwari Kadamba Khandi. Still, there are thousands of Kadamba trees there. There is a Rashtrastali also. There, Srimati Radhika, to have the mercy of Shankar in her Leela, she has worships Shankar with his golden
chain,
necklace. So it is called Sonara Padamba Khandi. There is a place, Kamai Karla, the birthplace of Vishaka Devi. Very beautiful place there. इन सबको पार करके ऊंचा गांव वी विल गो टुमारो डे आफ्टर टुमारो द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ श्रीमती ललिता देवी. There is a village, Bajera, the birthplace of Rangadevi and Sudevi. All these Sakhis, they have appeared or they have taken with nearby Varsana. And all were married to Javat. Now we have come to Varshana. Varshana by name Varshana. श्रीमती राधिका जी की कृपा सब समय बरसती है इसलिए वर्षाना. क्या हुआ?
Because Radha Rani's mercy always showers there, so this is Varsana. Varsana means showering.
Shower.
Shower.
It has been told in Bharat Puran. Bharat Puran में ऐसा लिखा है, पूरा सुत युगस्यांते ब्रह्मणा प्रार्थितो हरि ममोपरि सदात्मक ही राष्ट्र क्रीड़ा करिष्यसि. सरता भी ब्रजगोपी भी प्राकृत काले कृतार्थ कृत. बराह पुराण में ऐसा लिखा है, it has been written in Bharat Puran. Sometime in Krita Yuga, Satya Yuga, Brahma had said this year. Krishna appeared and he wanted a benediction that if you should do all your pastimes on my back, आप हमारे ऊपर में रस क्रीड़ा इत्यादि जितनी भी क्रीड़ाएं हमारे ऊपर में करें. Krishna fulfilled his desire and he told that you should go to Varshana and you should be a mountain and I will play my all pastimes with gopis and especially with Radhika there. So here there are two mountains, we will go there. One Vishnu Parvat and another, दो पर्वत यहाँ है, विष्णु पर्वत और दूसरा है ब्रह्म पर्वत. विष्णु पर्वत is in the left side of Brahma Parvat. The color of Vishnu Parvat is black, like Krishna, like Vishnu, and the color of Brahma Parvat is like golden somewhat golden. Most important places are situated on Brahma Parvat. हम लोग जब जाएंगे वृषभानु महाराज का घर, the house of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, the father of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, all are situated on the back of Brahma Parvat, especially Goparvan and Mayur Parvat and Vishnu Parvat. Very beautiful place where it is same type of leela, pastime, which was played in that party of Govardhan Parvat. So we will go to all these places. हम लोग इन सब स्थानों में जाएंगे, वहाँ आज भी बड़ी बड़ी लीलाएं होती हैं, लाखों आदमी यहाँ पर आते हैं, lakhs of people, they are assembled at the birthday of Srimati Radhika there. We will see Vrishabhanu Kaur at first. Vrishabhanu, not Kaur. Kunda. Where Srimati Krishna, where Vrishabhanu Maharaj used to take bath, यहाँ पर वो स्नान करते थे, वहाँ पर हम लोग जाएंगे। वहाँ पर राधा कृष्ण का किल्लोल भी हुआ करता था, वहाँ पर दोनों स्नान करते थे और मिलते थे। वहाँ पर कृतिका जी जहाँ पर की दधि मंथन करती थी वो स्थान हम लोग जाएंगे। Where कृतिका मैया used to churning and to milking of cows, we will go to that place. So there are so many places where we will go. Also we will go to Vilasgarh and all places. Very great importance. वो तो but who is that Radhika? Srimati Radhika. वो राधिका जी है क्या? चैतन्य चरितामृत से दो एक प्यार हम केवल पाठ कर रहे हैं। कोई श्री राधिका with whom who took birth here, took birth in Ravan, or sometimes they take Vasana also in Vasana. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, it has been told like this. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Ladvi Shakti Sma Ekatmana Bhugade Ekam Kalo Chaitanya Prakatamutuna Tattvayanti Akatimatma Radha Bhav Subhatam Nomi Krishna Swarup. Krishna Das Kavyat Goswami has explained in Bengal, Bangla, and we are reading and the meaning is that Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti, कृष्ण की प्रणय की विकृति श्रीमती राधिका जी है। राधिका मयन कृष्ण प्रणय विकार, राधा कृष्ण एक आत्मा दुई देह धरी। राधा और कृष्ण यथार्थ में एक ही है। They are not two. शक्ति शक्ति मतो अभेद। शक्ति और शक्तिमान दो एक ही। इसलिए राधा और कृष्ण दोनों तत्वतः एक ही हैं, दो नहीं है। किंतु लीला विलास के लिए दो शरीर धारण किए हैं। Only to play and लीला विलास, they have become two. We are told in Vrindavan that once Krishna was there, once he was, and he wanted to taste some rasa. At once, from his left side, right, left side, Srimati Radhika. So, Krishna left side is Srimati Radhika and right side is दोनों एक होने पर भी अनन्य विलास विलासे रस आस्वादन कर both serve each other and they do so many leela pastimes to please each other. Krishna don't want to test anything, he wants to please Srimati Radhika. And similarly, Srimati Radhika don't want to test anything, but she always wants to serve both each other. But होने पर भी दोनों को कृष्ण के सेवक हैं, we are part and parcel of Krishna. तो जीवन स्वरूप है नित्य कृष्ण दास। जैसे कृष्ण का अपना स्वरूप है, जीव का भी वैसे स्वरूप। जैसे भगवान में कर्तापन है और भोक्तापन है, प्रत्येक जीव में भी कर्तापन और भोक्तापन है। जैसे कृष्ण के श्री अंग प्रत्यंग इत्यादि हैं, जीव का भी उसी रूप में और रूप में उनका भी ये सब कुछ है। किंतु कृष्ण में परिपूर्णतम मात्रा में है, जीवों में बड़ी मात्रा में है। ये भोक्तापन कर्तापन और सब कुछ है। क्या है? कहिए सुनते हैं।
Maharaj is telling that living entity is part and parcel of Krishna. Because it is part and parcel of Krishna, so everything which is present in Krishna is also seen in living entities also. Krishna is enjoyer and controller. Similarly, we find even in living entities that it has also characteristic of enjoying and controlling. Krishna has got form, similarly every living entity has got form. The difference is that Krishna is complete and its enjoying propensity and its controlling propensity is infinite, and Jeev has got in tiny form.
एक बात और समझने की चेष्टा करें। कृष्ण समस्त रसों के उपभोक्ता है और सब रसों के विषय में। जीव में केवल एक भाव रहेगा, सब भाव नहीं रहेंगे। जिसका जैसा स्वरूप है, एक रस से कृष्ण की सेवा कर सकते हैं। श्रीमती राधिका जी जैसे कृष्ण भोक्ता है, ये समस्त रसों से कृष्ण की सेवा कर सकती है। जीव जैसा नहीं, जीव एक रस में उसका एक रस का कोई स्वरूप होगा और सिद्धि होने पर उसी रस में जाएगा। किंतु राधिका जी के लिए ऐसा नहीं कहा जाएगा, बलदेव प्रभु जी के लिए ऐसा नहीं कहा जाएगा, क्योंकि वो जीव नहीं है। इसलिए जैसे कृष्ण समस्त रोगों के उपभोक्ता हैं, श्रीमती राधिका जी शांत दास सत्य वात्सल्य और मधुर सब रसों से उनकी सेवा कर सकती है। उनमें ये पोटेंशियल सभी कुछ है, क्योंकि उनकी सर्व शक्ति है। जीव के लिए ये सब होगा। जैसे गोप कुमार शंख रस का सेवक, उसका स्वरूप में है वो, और भजन करते 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 सिद्धि पाने पर वो केवल शंख रस से ही भगवान की सेवा कर सका। राधा जी के लिए ऐसा नहीं कहा जाएगा और देव प्रभु जी के लिए ऐसा नहीं कहा जाएगा। ये दोनों में भेद है विशेषकर। राधिका है कृष्ण प्रणय विकार, What is that pranay vikar? Krishna pranay vikar. You know that जीव का स्वरूप कृष्ण दास है। भक्ति का बीज क्या है? कृष्ण सेवा की वासना। The seed of bhakti is Krishna Seva Vasana. But when it comes by Gurudev or the mercy of Krishna or by the mercy of Krishna associate, then there are so many symptoms. In that symptoms, Sadhai is symptom. In fact, it has been told that it is the beach of Noah. But actually, the potency to serve Krishna is the seed of the mother. So when it will grow up, it will come in the stage of Shraddha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, and Bhav. After that, it will be Sarv Siddhi, and after Sarv Siddhi, Vastu Siddhi. And then he will enter in Golok Vrindavan, having prayed. Prem, a special prem again in the stage of Paripakva. Mature state, it will be Sneha, Man, Pranay, and all. In here it is told Pranaya Vikar. Here Vikar means you should not think that Vikar is a bad thing. Like milk's Vikar is curd. मिल्क का विकार दही है, ये कुछ विकृत हो गया, किंतु दही कोई बुरी चीज नहीं। That it is not right. एक विशेष स्थिति वहां पर है। विकार English has no word like this. Any word in the whole world, except Sanskrit, no actual meaning will come. But if anyone wants to know all these things, they will have to study Sanskrit. If not so much, then Sanskrit had two daughters, Hindi and Sanskrit. Hindi is elder, but younger are so beautiful and so melodious, like Ganga and Jamuna. Understand? Ganga and Jamuna की भांति। बंगला भाषा में संस्कृत का एकदम निकटतम भाषा। इसमें हमारे गोस्वामियों ने कई संस्कृत के समस्त भावों को और वर्णों को उसमें दिया है, इसलिए इसमें कितनी सुंदर अभिव्यक्ति। क्या हुआ? हमने क्या बोला?
Maharaj is saying that Sanskrit has two daughters.
If we want to understand all these things, there are very meaningful words in Sanskrit, and only in Sanskrit we can relish it. There is no any substitute in other languages like English and all. So if we really intend to relish it, we should learn Sanskrit. At least if we cannot learn Sanskrit, then we should learn two languages which are daughter of Sanskrit. Elder daughter is Hindi and younger daughter is Bangla. And Maharaj is saying because she is younger daughter, she is so dearer and dearer to Sanskrit and very sweet also. Therefore, our all Goswamis has spoken and written in Bangla many literatures because it is quite close to Sanskrit. So at least we should learn this language.
राधिका में कृष्ण प्रणय विकार, स्वरूप शक्ति लाडली नाम जहाज। That प्रणय, कृष्ण प्रणय is called स्वरूप शक्ति। उसको स्वरूप शक्ति कहते हैं। What is स्वरूप शक्ति? Always situated in Swरूप, inside Swरूप. It cannot be out, but अघटन घटिय श्री शक्ति, अघटन घटन घटिय श्री शक्ति, अचिंतन अघटन घटन. It can come also. When it comes out, it is called Radhika. And when it is inside, then it is called Swarup Shakti. This would be a very present clear, very clear. All these things. क्योंकि हमको आते हैं। स्वरूप शक्ति जिसको अपनी खास शक्ति, जब वो अपने अंदर में रह करके दोनों अभिन्न होते हैं तब उसको स्वरूप शक्ति कहते हैं। अंतरंगासक्ति स्वरूप शब्द। किंतु इसको अलग से प्रकाशित नहीं किया जा सकता, किंतु भगवान जो है, कृष्ण जो है, ब्रजंतनंद श्याम, उनको एक अघटन घटन पटयसी शक्ति योग माया है। वो है तो श्रीमती राधिका या उनका प्रकाश। इस शक्ति के द्वारा जो नहीं होना चाहता है उसको भी संभव करा दे। वो क्या? उसी अंतरंगा शक्ति को जो कृष्ण की प्रणय विकृति है उनको राधिका जी के रूप में प्रकट कर देते हैं। अन्यथा ये संभव नहीं था। स्वरूप शक्ति, लाजनी शक्ति, लाजनी कराए कृष्ण आनंद आस्वादन। This Shakti, Vladimir, himself, herself, Srimati Radhika, always trying to please Krishna, to serve Krishna, always. Like all the gopis, among all the gopis, prominent gopis are Gayatri of Srimati Radhika. कोई जसोदा मैया, कोई जसोदा मैया है। Essence of Srimati Radhika. कोई जसोदा मैया। What was it? Vatsalya in Radhika. When it is inside, then no harm. But when it comes out to serve Krishna, then it becomes Jasoda. Understand?
राधा जी का वात्सल्य भाव,
राधिका जी में शांत, दास्य, शब्द, वात्सल्य, मधुर और भी जो कुछ हो सकता है सब उनके अंदर है, सब कुछ उनके अंदर है। तो जब
एक होता है वात्सल्य भाव में और एक होता है
राधा जी की जब इच्छा होती है कि सब पूर्ण से अब इसमें और कोई चीज का मिक्सचर न रहे, तो वो राधिका जी हो जाते हैं। राधिका जी अपने एक्सपेंशन से जसोदा जी जटिला कुटिला तो है, वो बात जटिला है। ये राधिका जी की परिगण का कुछ ऐसे भाव हैं जो राधिका जी के भावों को पुष्ट करने के लिए राधिका जी से ही निकली है। द्वारकाधीश में, द्वारकाधीश के जो पटरानियां हैं वो भी इनके वैभव विराट हैं। कौन? चंद्रावली, रुक्मिणी, सत्यभामा, क्या रुक्मिणी, सत्यभामा, जाम्बवंती, नग्नजीति, कालिंदी, विद्याविद्या, all are shadows of Vrindavan. श्रीमती राधिका, चंद्रावली, पद्मा, सत्या, ललिता, शाखा, चित्रा. So many ghosts, so many. Like we cannot count, we cannot even imagine how she pleases Krishna. कोई मधुमंगल कृष्ण का गायक। सुभद्री कौन है? कृष्ण के गायक। ये तरह श्रीमती राधिका जी कृष्ण को प्रसन्न करने के लिए ऐसी उनकी कोई भी इच्छा नहीं है जिसको वो पूर्ण नहीं कर सकती है। उनका स्वभाव ही और स्वरूप ही वही है। In all ways, when Krishna wants any to enjoy anything, at once Srimati Radhika becomes like that and pleases all these things. We cannot please anyone. We have only one, but Srimati Radhika. All kinds of mood, that is called Pranayadika. So, लादनी द्वारा करे भक्तेर पोषण, लादनी के द्वारा कृष्ण अपने भी आनंदित होते हैं, राधिका जी को भी, साथ में भक्तों को भी उसी के द्वारा पालन पोषण सब कुछ करते हैं। ये राधिका जी कौन है? लादनी। राधिका जी का हजारों मुद्दों में से एक मुद्द है लादनी। अभी अभी संधि संविधि इत्यादि बहुत से मुद्दे अभी बाकी हैं। यदि लादनी का इतना प्रभाव तो संपूर्ण रूप से जो पूर्ण राधा जी हैं उनका क्या प्रभाव होगा? क्या लादनी शक्ति she pleases Krishna, she pleases all thoughts, everything. But still she has Sandhini and Shambhi. larding and some with mixture. And essence of that Shakti is called Bhakti, especially prayer. Now time is over, we'll discuss very deeply. Pujyapat Maharaj will also speak of that thing. How we can achieve the mercy of this Shakti. What is this Shakti? This is bhajan. This is bhajan. If we can get anything about this, any devotees, forever, they can gradually grow up and they will advance in consciousness. So we should try.
Yes, continue to enjoy वो भी दादा दादा जी की भाव एक वृद्धि होगी आपका स्टार्ट है बहुत समय हो गया आगे चलेंगे
I am a student of Lord. I should not bother my head with the lessons of the higher class. So let us finish it, let us hear it, but we cannot understand it. Right?
अब हम लोग यहाँ से अभी तुरंत प्रस्तुत हो जाएं। We should be ready at once. And we should start from here doing kirtan. And first we will go to Bhasvan Kunda. And from there we will go to Gamarvan and all other places. And about 10 we will return. No need of getting anything. You cannot have anything. One thing I request you, don't use your photography camera there. Otherwise, very big violent rain comes. And they will take all your cameras and photos. One thing more, I think that आप लोग इतने भक्ति में रस में भगे हुए हैं, आपको याद नहीं रहता. You are so much absorbed in bhakti that try to have keep anything here and there and you forget it. In passage you forget everything and keep your all luggages there here.
Even the fathers are doing well.
Someone that photograph, their video, camera, and we have seen about 100 pairs of chappal and star in Govardhan. Here, I told that collect it and give it in a big bag and we brought it. So if you have received anything, please give to Brajanath Prabhu, Naveen and others. And if you have lost anything, you can report to them. And if you have, we can return. But I think that you should be careful about this. Don't take you can take photography, but don't take it much better.
from the ladies.
Personality. Go Preman.
पत्नी जाया नाग कन्नग जाया बीज हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे।
वृषभानु कुंड, वृषभानु कुंड पर हम आए हैं। वृषभानु महाराज Delhi used to come to this place. He used to take daily bath here and worshipping here, meditating here, and doing all these things here. Sometimes Srimati Radhika also used to come to this place and to take bath. And Krishna anyhow, he knew that Srimati has come to this place to take bath. So on the opposite direction, Ghat, Krishna used to take bath and he used to become crocodile. And sinking in water and coming to this where Srimati Radhika is standing in water and he used to take the feet of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is thinking that, oh, who is he? Any crocodile or anyone? And after that he used to go there. And anyone was not thinking that who is he, what is going on. So all Sakhis were something thinking like so. So this place is very sacred. We can take the water and we can take Achaman and pray this kund that you should be merciful to us, that you should sprinkle very little and mercy to us so that we can realize the past times of this Varsana here and who is Srimati Radhika, who is Krishna and what is their love each other. Gaur Premanande. Kirtandar. अभी होली जो चली गई उस समय में ये सारी गली रंग से भर जाती है। यहाँ पर कृष्ण के समय में, राधा जी के समय में उसको बदल दिया जाना चाहिए। रंग क्या चीज है? रंग जो लाल गुलाल या अबीर है वो प्रेम का वो रूप है। प्रेम लाल होता है, अनुराग रंग होता है। यहाँ पर अनुराग की होली खेली जाती थी, गोपियाँ कृष्ण के साथ में यहाँ पर खेलती थी, इसीलिए इसी का नाम हुआ है रंगीली गली। गौ प्रमानंदे।
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
But 3 feet everywhere. There be distance. 3 feet length. 3 feet length. Hey, वहाँ से रास्ते तो उठाओ. ना जाए. 3 feet length should be everywhere. Anyone can go. ऐसा कितना था रे?
It's pretty roomy.
गंगा जी के लाला अलग मिला क्या बोलो तुम कौन
मेरो नंद जी को लाला अलबेला वो मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला मेरो नंद जी को लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी को लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला 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 रे ढेला रे ढेला रे ढेला रे मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी को लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी को लाला अलबेला कभी गौवन के संग कभी बजरन के संग 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 कभी सखाओं के संग में अकेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला कभी सखाओं के संग में अकेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला ओ मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला हाँ मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी के लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी के लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला कभी भाभी सुबल के संग हाँ कभी श्री राम के संग कभी सुबल के संग कभी मधुमंगल के संग में अकेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला ये नंद जी के लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला ये नंद जी के लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला ओ कभी ललिता के संग कभी विशाखा के संग कभी ललिता के संग कभी विशाखा के संग कभी राधा जी के संग में अकेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला कभी नंद जी को लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला नंद जी के लाला अलबेला मेरी मटकी में मार गयो ढेला कभी राधा कुंड कभी श्याम कुंड कभी जमुना के तट कभी
has been sung by Krishnadas Prabhu. Maharaj is saying that I should tell in brief the meaning of this song. Nanda ji ko lala alvela. Son of Nand, he is alvela. Alvela means unique, no one is like him. Radha, all the gopis with Radha Rani, they are going with their pitcher pot on their head. On their head. And this boy, who is Alvela, he came and he threw a stone on that pitcher, matki. Matki pe maar gayo dhela. He has thrown a stone on that matki and has broken it. And where he has done it, now he has been telling at so many places, and with whom he has been doing it, with so many people. Sometime with Madhumangal, sometime with Subal, sometime at Radha Kund, sometime at Shyam Kund, and today somehow or other at this place at Sakri Khod, he is going to throw the stone and he will break and he is breaking the pitcher pot. What will be the result of it? Now Maharaj will tell.
Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Sri Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki अरे मत रोके गेल हमारी कन्हैया बंसी बारे 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 कन्हैया बंसी बारे ओ यसुमत नंद दुलारे कन्हैया बंसी बारे ओ यसुमत नंद दुलारे अरे मत रोके गेल हमारी कन्हैया बंसी बारे अरे मत रोके गेल हमारी कन्हैया बंसी बारे मार्ग में क्यों हमको रोके मार्ग में मार्ग में क्यों हमको रोके मार्ग में क्यों मार्ग में क्यों हमको रोके मार्ग में क्यों हमको रोके मार्ग अरे हम हैं अबला नारी कन्हैया बंसी बारे अरे हम हैं अबला नारी कन्हैया बंसी बारे अरे मत रो
Sakri Khod, between gallery between lane between two mountains, very narrow passage. You will go and then you will see. This is Vishnu Parvat, this side, and that is Brahma Parvat. I told that Brahma has done very hard austerity. ब्रह्मा जी ने बहुत कठोर तपस्या की। ये कृपा करके आपकी लीलाएं हमारे ऊपर में हो, विशेष करके श्रीमती जी के साथ में जो रास लीला, हिंडोल लीला और जो मक्खन इत्यादि की चोरी इत्यादि की लीलाएं हमारे ऊपर में करें। तो ठीक है, तुम ब्रह्म पर्वत होकर के बरसाने में आओ, जहाँ पर विश्वभानु महाराज जी का घर है, वहीं पर तुम ब्रह्म पर्वत बन करके आओ। कॉलर, golden collar, and this mountain is light black collar. It denotes Krishna and it denotes Srimati Radhika. In middle, there is a very नैरो पैसेज, एक गली है बीच में, इसी को कहते हैं शाकरी खोर. Shakari means very narrow. I think that it will be better that I will speak Hindi and he will speak in English. It will be
a hilarious Leela over here. Right now we have discussed that Krishna was throwing stone on pictures of gopis. In the continuation of same, Maharaj is saying that this place has got two mountains. One is of Vishnu and one is of Brahma. This is golden and this is black. In between there is a very, very narrow passage. And how much is it narrow, we can realize when we will pass through it. Hardly one person can pass from that passage. And such narrow passage is called Khor. And Sankari means narrow. So this is called Sankari Khor. So when gopis used to pass from here with their pitcher on their head, and in that pitcher they were having butter or sometimes matha and milk like this. So Krishna will come and forcefully stop the passage. Dagar rok lete the. Dagar means passage. Rok lete the. Now you have heard the song. It also says that gopis are saying, why are you stopping our passage? Rasta rok lete the. They will used to stop the passage and will say that give us tax. In Hindi, their word they are using it dan. Dan does not mean tax. Dan means charity. As if the Krishna is biggest pandit and priest over here, and he requires donation and charity from everyone. Forceful charity he used to ask for, and gopis used to refuse for it. And then there is Hathapai. Maharaj is saying there is Hathapai, tussle with hand, lapat jhapat. So when gopis are not ready to give, he will come at some distance, put some pebbles and throw over those pitchers. Pitcher will break and all the curd, milk, buttermilk and butter will fall on Radharani and gopis. Once gopi had an assembly that Krishna disturbs us like this so much time, we should teach him a lesson. So we should take a revenge and teach him a lesson. So what did they do? They planned lakhs of gopis. They just spread it all over this place in hiding manner and said that some gopis will pass from here with Radharani and Krishna will be very happy with his Sakha that today Radharani is nearly alone. And the moment he will come and will break the pitcher, we will all come and catch him. But how will they come? Lalita became the head leader of this whole gang leader of this activity, Leela. She will just give a whistle, and the moment she will give whistles, all gopis will attack on Krishna and his friends. The same happened when Radharani with her friends, a few friends, not much. This is called baiting process. I think when we catch some birds, we throw some bait, B-A-I-T. They came as bait. And all the sakhas came and they forcefully tried to catch the pitchers of Radharani and other gopis. At that time, Lalita just gave a whistle and thousands of gopis, they came fastly and they caught each and every sakha of Krishna, gop of Krishna, and they started giving kulcha on the cheeks of all those sakhas. Kulcha means boxing, punching. Boxing is something different thing. Punching is punch, heavy punch. And all they took their shikha and they bind their shikha with the branches of trees. And all sakhis then called Krishna, you are the gang leader. You have to be taught the real lesson. And they brought a lehenga, a choli and a chunariya for him. They forcefully put on lehenga and choli and chunari and some decoration on their face, just like a very beautiful girl, and then a very big pitcher on their head full of buttermilk, butter, and then you just move from here, and he was forced to move. At that time some gopis stood little distance and threw pebbles on that pitcher, and pitcher was broken and all yogurt fell on him, and that was Abhishek of Krishna and Gaur Premanande. All the gopis were clapping like this. Go from Krishna and from his Sakha that you give a promise that you will never do this thing, and Krishna was forced to give this promise that he will never do it. I don't know whether this is a thing in India. If someone has to give a punishment, then he is asked to catch his ears. I don't know whether in Western countries this is a thing, but here, Toba karna, I will never do it, and he will catch his ear that I did my mistake. And another extension of the punishment. Vishaka said, Lalita has taken a bow and I will take a stamp on it. What is the stamp? You catch your ear and do Uthak, sit and get up. That's time. In Hindi it is called Uthak Baitak. Sit down, get up, sit down, get up, sit down, get up.
Also, just to mention one thing. In here, if any cow or buffalo will give birth of any baby calf, then that grihastha brings so much milk or butter or ghee, and they give here. गिराते हैं, चढ़ाते हैं, and they offer here their first milk of that cow or buffalo. They give this. Here you can see where Krishna kept his lathia here to run away from hands of gopis, and his pagadi गिर गई, उनकी पगड़ी गिर गई, और उसकी चिन्ह वहाँ पर है. क्या?
When gopis chased Krishna and Krishna ran from here, his stick fell down and his turban also fell down.
So
Yes,
there is a
symbolical impression is over there.
You can go now very carefully, otherwise you can fell down. मत दो. अरे दान लेना holy ground. After the name of Chitra Sakhi, the father and mother used to live in this village, Chiksauli, and we are in a very rusticated family of Gop. Chitra Sakhi took birth. He was so much expert in all arts, especially in picture. I think that Shamrani cannot be a particle of that Chitra Sakhi. Once, जबकि एक समय की बात, राधा जी बड़ी पीहबल और बेचैन थी. Once Srimati Radhika was so very restless. She told to all Sakhi Lalita Vishakha, अपनी सखियों से कही, अब मैं प्राण धारण नहीं करूंगी, अब मैं मरना ही चाहती हूँ. मैं कहीं सरोवर में कूद करके या विष खा करके जैसे अब अपने प्राणों का अंत कर लेंगे. I don't want to keep my life. I want also at once to die. Why?
I was so much pativrata nari. I was chaste lady. But now I am not chaste. मैं पतिव्रता नारी थी, आज हमारा ये अमृत खत्म हो गया, इसलिए आज तो जरूर मरना है। क्यों, क्या हो गया? ललिता जी ने पूछा, What happened? Oh, I heard a flute very sweet, and I gave her to that person who was playing. मैंने अपना हृदय उस बंसी वाले के प्रति दे दिया, सदा के लिए मैं बेच दिया अपने को, जो सुंदर बंसी बजाया, और उसकी बंसी की तान सुन करके अब अपनी रही रही उसको दे दी। इतने में किसी ने कृष्ण नाम सुनाया, कृष्ण नाम सुनते ही मैंने उस कृष्ण को अपना हृदय दे दिया, ये दूसरे को। और तीसरे ने एक चित्र दिखलाया, चित्रा जी ने बहुत सुंदर फोटो चित्र। So I just now I want to finish my life. मैं अपने प्राणों को छोड़ देना चाहता हूँ। Then लता told, no you are chaste, आप पतिव्रता हैं। अरे जिसने बंसी बजाया उसी का नाम कृष्ण है, और उसी कृष्ण का ये चित्रा जी ने चित्र आपको बना करके दिया है, तीनों एक ही है। The name of that person who was playing on flute, same person, and his name is Same Krishna, and the photo of that boy black is the same. So we are one. So you should not give your life. So Chitra is so expert in making it. बोलो चिक्सौली ग्राम की जय, चित्रा सखी की जय, चिक्सौली ग्राम के सब की जय। गो प्रमाण और नीच में कुंड है ना, कुंड कुंड ना चाहिए की कुंड कृष्ण कुंड छोटा विष्णु 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 कृष्ण कुंड विष्णु कुंड हमें समझाई देगा तो समझे नीचे उतर जाओ उसे चलो तो अरे